Welcome to excelmacroclasses.com. In this video, we will see how we can consolidate data in Excel by using various methods. So let's go to the Excel first. Okay, so in this file, I have a few sheets Monday to Sunday. Okay, and we have data in same format in every sheet. And the first requirement is I want to consolidate all these data into one sheet. Right now we have 7 sheets. We want to consolidate into one sheet. There are various methods for consolidation. Let me take you through that first. Click on EMC. If you have not downloaded this tool yet, please go and download from the website. So you can find this consolidate option here also. But in case if you don't find this thing, don't worry. You can click on user form and click macro number 112. Click on play. It will take you to the another window where you can find consolidate option. We will have separate video on export. So in consolidate we have three types of consolidation. One is you can consolidate from active workbook, means the file which is open in front of you. This is the first, and you have option to choose whether you want to consolidate from all sheet or any specific sheet. If you click on a specific sheet, you need to put some sheet name, some keyword from sheet name. It will pick only those sheet. Okay, so you can put any keyword which should be inside the sheet name. Okay, right now we will go and select all sheet. The third option is from where you want to start this copying. So your data is starting from A1 or some other portion, or you want to select any specific range. And specific, you can choose any cell range. You can type A2 is to B100, something like this. Okay, so currently we are going to choose start cell 1 because our data, most of us are using data from column 1 and row 1. So let's go and click to consolidate the data. So condition is consolidate from active workbook. Okay, whatever is the file in front of us, and we want to consolidate data from all sheet and from row 1 and cell 1, that data is starting from A1. Click on this. Okay, completed. So here we have two files. One is EMC log, where you can see what are the files have been consolidated. So successfully, sheet name is this one and file is this one. And here we have the data. So first two column will give you information. You can remove this column later on. So column B is sheet name and column A is file name. This is useful when you have multiple files and multiple sheets, so you can easily verify whether which sheet is uploaded or consolidated or which one is missing. Okay, so this is type 1. Let's go and try different method also. Now we will try to use to consolidate multiple files from one folder. So under this we can select the folder where we have all the data, all the files I mean. So I have this consolidation folder where I have all these files. So using this option, it will pick all these file not from in this folder, but all the file from consolidation folder. It will not go and check for this thing. So it will open all these files and consolidate. So I'll click on consolidation and click OK. So now it will pick all the files from here. So again, you can choose a specific file or all files. Currently I will go with all sheet and data start from A1. Click on this. Wait for a few seconds. It's done. Close this. Check if we have new file. So here we have new file. Okay. So this is consolidated from file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4 and file 5. These are the sheet name and here all the data. Same options are available here also. You can delete once data is consolidated. Definitely yes, you will find heading also. So you can easily identify and remove these headings. Maybe in next version we will add more functionality to remove this heading also. Okay, this is working fine. So now let's go and try to consolidate from data from all these folders. So I have few files in all these folders. Yep, here and here also. So it will pick all the files from all the folders. Okay, so let's go and choose the third option. Click on this. Okay, now it will pick all the files from this folder and subfolder. All file, all sheet from here. You can choose another option based on availability like specific file, specific sheet, specific range, other start cell or active cell, whatever. If you choose active cell, then it will only pick active cell, active sheet, I mean, sorry. So click on start. It may take few seconds because there are lots of files. Just be patient. Okay, done. So let's close this window and check if we have new file. So here we have new file and this is the log sheet from where data is captured. So data is captured from file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in from consolidation folder, and after that it is also picking from folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, folder 4, and data is total data is okay. So if you notice, we don't have data in sheet 2 and sheet 3, so that's why it is blank. Let's check if we have any more. Okay, wherever there is no data, it is not picking anything. Okay, if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.